In this video, I'll detail how to use Siri on lock screen. So if you have an iPhone and you want to use Siri whenever your iPhone screen is locked, just like this, by just saying, "Hey Siri," and Siri will respond to your voice command, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you're new on this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to use Siri on lock screen on iPhone, you first need to turn on Allow Siri on lock screen. To do this, just go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate Siri or Siri and search. If you're using iOS 18, just need to click on Siri. And if you're using iOS 17 or earlier, locate Siri and search and tap that. Then make sure you turn on Allow Siri when locked. Toggle this. Then once you click on that, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode. Then go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Then once confirmed, you should see Allow Siri when locked enabled. Then whenever your iPhone screen is locked and you want to wake Siri, or you want to communicate with your iPhone, just say, "Hey Siri, what's today's date?"
It's Sunday, August 11th, 2024.
"Hey Siri, what can you recommend for my daily digest as an iPhone user?"
Okay, I found this on the web for what can you recommend for my daily digest as an iPhone user. Check it out.
You see that? So I am actually communicating with Siri with my iPhone screen locked. So that's how to use Siri on lock screen on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.